The scientific method is the name given by scientists to teach us one way to examine and solve problems that can help us live better lives. This method is used all over the world. It helps researchers and scientists to organize their experiments so that they are easy to follow and can be communicated to others. The first part of the scientific method is called the hypothesis. This step is important because it communicates what the problem is and what the scientist thinks is a reasonable solution to try testing. It may also give information about why the scientist thinks it is important to find a solution for this problem and how it will help our world. The next part is materials. Once a scientist decides on what they want to test, they have to make a list of what materials and tools they need in order to test out their idea. This is similar to gathering ingredients when you are following a recipe. The main part of any experiment is the method. The method is a step-by-step process of what has to be done in order to try out the experiment. Scientists try out the steps in order and are very careful to do them exactly as they are planned. As the method is happening, scientists begin to record their observations. Observations are measurements and records of everything that is happening while the experiment is being done. The experiment is usually done many times to make sure that the observations are as accurate as possible. Finally, the scientist comes to a conclusion and they communicate whether the hypothesis was supported or not. Problem solving is a skill we do every day in our lives. Trying to find ways to solve problems and follow routines helps us to challenge ourselves and make a difference.